Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this art gallery presentation on Canva. So just have all of the paintings on one page first, right click and then group it, or press Ctrl G. And then you're going to make one painting big first. Like here, for instance, it doesn't have to be super centered. Add in a circle, make sure it's white to match the background. Well, if it's another color, then match it with that. And we're just going to make the circle like this, and we're going to add it at the top as well as the bottom here. So it looks like there's like a depth view, if you could just look at that. And then duplicate the page, and then you're going to move the other painting here in the middle. Well, try to move it kind of in the middle, like here, I guess is good. Then duplicate it again, and then you're going to want to move this one now to the kind of middle of the page. And then lastly, whoops, duplicate this, and then we're going to move the last one to kind of the center here. Once you're done, you're just going to add in some transitions. You're going to add the match and move one. Make it around 1 second is good. And then you're going to add it again here. And then you're going to add that again here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I'm just going to make this a little bit shorter. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.